Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when you can't share screenshots or video clips from this game on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if you're getting this there, go ahead and press the PlayStation button and then go to your uploads/downloads folder right here. And then go to your uploads and cancel and delete anything under this menu. And make sure your list here is completely cleared out. And it says no uploads in progress. Then try resharing it. Also, go on over to the power button and go to turn off. Close all games and apps and turn off your PlayStation 5. Wait 1 or 2 minutes and then turn on your PlayStation 5 once again. Also, another thing that you can try is finding a friend under your messages. So let's share a video clip with one of my friends. Go to the plus icon and go to video clips. And then select it and then send it on over. And it looks like it is uploading and sending it over now. Also, there could be a problem with PlayStation Network. So I'm going to just quickly check the services for PlayStation status. So let's go over here, PlayStation Network. And it looks like all services are up and running. Sometimes when this goes down, you'll get this error. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.